So if you only want to cover a small or limited space, or for any reason require a simple home security solution and can't afford a huge alarm system, then this is what you need: the Doberman Security Window Door Alarm Model SE-0137. They're plenty loud, simple to operate, low budget, and super easy to install. Each alarm unit comes with a magnetic contact alarm sensor and an incredibly loud siren of 100 decibels. If a burglar hopes to slip into your property quietly and unnoticed through your windows or doors, then this device may have something to say about that. I'm Shababs, and we're going to unbox and review this unit, a set of 4, and see what it has to offer. This Doberman Security alarm also comes in a set of 6 and comes in a set of 12. First of all, if you're worried about having to program the device or dealing with confusing options and settings, forget it. The SE-0137 only comes with one user-controlled setting, on and off, and that's it. The installation process is simple and consists of peeling off the backing of the mounting tape and positioning the sensor units on the doors or windows that need protection. The adhesive tape provided may be a little problematic. Depending on the finish of your mounting surface, it may be a good idea to invest in some quality double-sided tape from your local home center in order to ensure a more secure install of the device. Place the included magnet on the outside frame of any window or door you wish to protect. When opened by an intruder, the magnetic circuit is broken and the 100 dB alarm will sound. To remove or install the batteries of this alarm is quite simple. Each unit comes with a 3LR44 or AG13 button cell battery separated with a tape so it doesn't lose its charge. You do not need a screwdriver, just remove the plate, place the batteries in the indicated direction, and that's all. I don't know if you can see the tape separating the batteries, and you remove that. So on this side we have the positive and here we have the negative, and we place the 3 batteries, positive, and positive, and close the lid. Now let's try and see the volume. So in summary, while the Doberman Security SE-0137 does have its flaws, when you take into account its ease of use and installation as well as its price and effectiveness, I think it's a solid purchase. In short, the pros are: it's shockingly loud, 100 dB siren as you heard just now, it's inexpensive, it's effective at deterring crime, it installs with adhesive tape, you don't need to punch holes in your walls. It's perfect for securing a home or apartment. As per the cons, you need button type batteries, mounting tape, In case the mounting tape doesn't stick on all surfaces, it has no alarm timer, so if you set them, then leave the house for the weekend and one of them should come unglued and fall to the floor, the alarm will sound until either the batteries are dead or you come home, whichever comes first. In that case, I hope you don't have animals in your house or neighbors next door. Neither will appreciate the ear-splitting sound of this going off. So I hope you guys got a closer look and some more information on the Doberman Security window door alarm model SE-0137, and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button so you'll be alerted when we upload new videos. Until next time, ciao.